Hey guys, Mike is back. I'm gonna unbox today the Pioneer TS-F1634R. So on this video, we're gonna unbox and take a look what's going on with the speaker. And we're gonna play a little bit music without installing to the box. After installing to the box, we're gonna compare with this a lot expensive versions with a lot cheaper speakers. So we're gonna compare these speakers, how it's gonna stand up. But on this video, this is just unboxing, but we're gonna play some music also, right? You have some thank you note, the warranty paper. You have a one piece, a two piece of little bit wire and some screws. This speaker sells more than 1,000 units a month. It means they sell a lot. Every month, like more than 1,000 people is buying this speaker. All right, it comes with a nice grill. All right, we have a power hose. And this is the next unboxing video, Skar Audio, one of the best-selling product from the Skar Audio, right? As you can see, I'm gonna unbox just after this video, and you can find on the product page. Oh, too much noise here. All right, so now yeah, you got what you pay, right? Yeah, and this is the speaker itself. I'm supposed to open this. The Infinity, the magnet is bigger than this. A 3.5-inch speaker, the magnet is bigger than this, and the feels the speaker just a replacement for your burned speaker, right? Before I connect to my power source, really quality amplifier here, so we can play the nice music. But the frequency, they advertising 35 hertz to 16,000 hertz. After 16,000 hertz, we don't hear. But mostly high-end speakers, all these tweeters, it's play like 20,000 hertz, right? Some of these Infinities, it's gonna be 21,000 hertz. But this guy is like to 16,000 hertz. So the brightness is gonna be a lot lower. The tweeter itself, it's like hard material. I don't know how it's gonna be played up. So 200 watts maximum power per speaker. It's I don't think so. These guys can handle that much power. But let's connect to the power. Thousand guys, 1,300 sales a month. Wow, maybe this one's defective. Let me try this one. Whew. I try to keep my contents honest, right? Honest. Give it some juice. If your speaker is burnt and you have old vehicle, your speaker is burnt, is not working anymore, but you want to sell something with the budget price, you want to replace that, this is a speaker for you. So you just take all the speakers, old ones, and just replace it. So it's going to be better sounding speaker for what you pay. Let me play the different music.
Smoking rooms, wherever you are. It's just about clothes and time. Didn't we just wanna go? Putting the world on the line.
Right, while I'm editing on the video, yeah, it's like I have to add this part. This speaker sounds so bad. It's really bad. So the future video, I'm going to compare this speaker with this, the higher expensive one. So I'm going to show you how bad this speaker can be and how great the you know, expensive one as the different models can be. On description, I will put the 3 or 4 different speakers. You just add a little bit money. Don't smoke one cigarette one day. Don't drink a cup of coffee and add that money for the speaker, and you will get a total different sound. Total different sound. For example, it's Skar audio. I have a JBL's, like a cheapest JBL. It sounds way better than this. So but a lot of guys is, how are you guys putting the 5-star? I have no idea. I have no idea. But this speaker drinks the power somehow, taking all the powers and disappearing somewhere without the playing like a nice and clean sound. Of course, tweeters are this speak with the same quality. You can get the just, you know, the regular paper speaker, right? Maybe it's maybe the Boss speaker is better than this. I don't know. We're gonna compare it side by side on the life and speed, so you can see. I'm gonna tell all the truth, what's going on with this speaker and the other speakers, right? I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.